Hi guys, I'm Talha from Technical Office and I have come in with the big news about Xiaomi Mi 12 Ultra, the greatest Xiaomi's phone. It will beat some of his competitors for his specs that Xiaomi Mi 12 Ultra has. So here is the specs of Mi 12 Ultra, the flagship of Xiaomi, and I will show that Xiaomi in which day Xiaomi will launch Mi 12 Ultra, the greatest device. So specs is that it have IP68 rating and it is waterproof again, and it have 2K AMOLED 6.73 inches display and 1500 nits brightness and 120 Hz display, and it have Snapdragon 8 Plus. It have LPDDR5 RAM, UFS 3.1 storage, and in addition to that it have G1 kind of a battery. If you don't know what is G1 battery, you can search for it on Google. And it have 4860 mAh battery and 67 watt charger, which can fill up your battery 50% in 15 minutes. And about the camera specs, Xiaomi Mi 12 Ultra uses a Sony IMX989 sensor, the big sensor. It's the biggest. It will cover all the details sharply. This sensor is 2.72x larger than the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and it uses Leica branding as well. It will be a great sensor and it will cover details sharply. And on the official Xiaomi have been come out with the great camera of Mi 12 Ultra. Here is the photo of iPhone 13 Pro Max and between 12 Ultra. Xiaomi says that our picture have more details and more sustainability and more contrast on his details. So here are some other samples of a Xiaomi Mi 12 Ultra camera. These are the official snaps of Xiaomi Mi 12 Ultra, and it have Leica 4 filters, and again it have 120x zoom camera as well. And a few of the reports says that Xiaomi Mi 12 Ultra will launch on July 5. Like it's July 5 is July 5 will be the great day for Xiaomi, and that big device Mi 12 Ultra will be launched, I think, because today was the trailer and it's all of the official video and photos that you are seeing in this video. So all that for that video, like the video. For these kind of videos, please subscribe to the channel. Bye.